Thanks, Tina. Yes, 2 months into analyzing the data surrounding COVID-19 cases here in the city, Toronto Public Health is finally getting around to diving a little bit deeper and identifying some of the trends that probably should have been identified much sooner throughout this crisis. The discussion surrounding how race and economic status has been brought up elsewhere in the world, including the U.S., but only now Toronto is saying these are factors in determining who is contracting COVID-19. Toronto's medical officer of health, Dr. Eileen de Villa, saying the virus is affecting people in lower income areas and there are higher case numbers and hospitalizations among immigrants, but they're offering no specifics at this point. What more can you tell us specifically about the initial data that has come forward to this point? Any specific numbers or percentages?
This is a very high-level analysis that we've conducted thus far, and it actually is only done on area-level data. As we update our information system, you'll recall that we introduced a new information system to help us better manage cases. We are updating that system as we speak, and we should soon be introducing this method of collecting socio-demographic information on our cases.
In other news, Mayor John Tory saying he has had conversations with the Mount Pleasant Cemeteries Group to determine if, in fact, they would consider opening locations in advance of this weekend. The private properties were shut down last month due to concerns about proper social distancing, but indications are there could be some allowances for family visits around Mother's Day.
Their reopening plans, soon to be confirmed, are not likely to include opening hours on Mother's Day itself, but will likely include opening hours on days either side of Mother's Day. I hope this will allow relatives to visit the resting place of loved ones and do so very near to Mother's Day in this very unusual year.
A real quick look at the latest Toronto numbers. There have now been a total of 6,448 cases of COVID-19. 394 people are currently in hospital, with 105 of those people in intensive care. There have been 469 deaths due to the virus, and 4,137 people have now recovered. More news, the 60-day grace period for utility bills and property taxes has actually been extended by the city. They're encouraging people to go to the city's website to try and find out more information based on installment plans.